Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sometimes I just can't understand Shein. I can't understand Shein. But anyway, let me show you this big ever bag or make it from Shein. Alright, so I was surprised because these items that I see, I'll be putting the code in my description and on the screen so you can get some of these goodies. But anyways, mother's unbox them and show me the things them want make it. So me there know say I fight with the bag to pull it instead of me get one scissors and just cut the bag open so it be much easier. But me, yeah. So this little headphone, the white look nice but it just look flimsy. So basically honestly I'll give it a 5 out of 10 because if you put it on and it drop, I feel like it's a good break. And I feel like mother give it 4 out of 10. Honestly, 4 out of 10. When it comes down to giving honest review, I'm gonna give honest review. I'm not gonna tell lie on a product. Say good and it's not good. I'm gonna tell say it don't good or it good. Alright, so I get a rag. These rugs are so soft and nice. I'm not lie. I try using one today and let me tell you say it feels so good on my skin. So let me tell you something, my skin is so sensitive. Some would I give this rug 10 out of 10. Honestly. Lord have mercy God. I get this braided wig. You know long my wait for a braided wig. But anyhow, let me know if you want to purchase this braided wig because but it looks nice, very nice. But right now, me just can't bother to buy all this stuff to buy wig glue and all this stuff. So, may I say, now I would give this wig a 9.5. The reason why I would give this wig a 9.5 is because it never come with no little band, it never come with no little headband, no little head cap, no little glue, no little nothing. But anyways, it's good still. It's a 34 inch. Now this little bag, right? I swear to God, the bag bigger than this. I'm not lie. I swear to you, I thought the bag was much bigger. But anyway, it's nice. You can go on because I'm not really a yellow person. But me just get it to kind of just come out of the box and just try get something different. So I would give this little bag around a 7 because me can put my little lip gloss and all these things in this little it feel like some crocus material. No, it feel like some basket, them basket feeling, yeah, at the side, yeah, same way. So I'm gonna give it a 7. Anyhow, let me move on because I don't want to keep up with guys time. Just like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I also get this sneakers which is white and it's nice and it feels so comfortable. Very comfortable. Anybody want to purchase this sneakers? Only can purchase. It's only $7,000. Only 7 grand. May I sell out the sneakers for cheap. Alright, so the next package we got open. I want to sit back, relax and enjoy the moment because I'm still not using scissors. I just go tear it open like a pro, like good girl can do. Yes, goodies. Yeah, so wait, hold on. Good girl gets her shoes. Yes, guys, listening. I wait on this wedge eel, this white wedge eel, like for so long. Like for so long. I don't know why the package takes so long. But anyway, I finally got it. Yes, I'm good girl. Like I wear that out in an. But wait, guys, if you want to purchase this wedge eel, let me know. Alright, the next one. Hold on, I never grade that one there. One there 10 out of 10. And for this next one, it's a black wedge eel and it's size 41. And I love the sheen for this one. So may I give this a would I give this a 9.5? 9.5, right. Alright guys, so for the other one, it's another wedge eel. As you know, or if you didn't know, I love wedge eels. I'm not really a fan of the tiny eels at the moment because of my foot is hurting and all that. So I prefer to wear wedge eel and they're cute. But if you would like to purchase these shoes or wedge eel or sneakers, let me know. Come and sell them more cheap. For the wedge eel, it's only 7,000, and for the sneakers, it is 7,750. Right? So let me know if you want to purchase. A party time, I want to miss out on the good fashion them. Alright, so what is this? Am I opening again? Let me see. Let me see, girl. Let me see. Hurry up. I was really disappointed for this one because I purchased this bag and I really thought it was big because the way how they advertise it, it shows that it is big and this is so super small. But anyways, it's a nice bag. I'm not going to lie. It is a nice bag and it comes with other little parts where you can, go out with, and it looks cute still. So I would just fairly give this, for the price it's $18. 18 US dollars. So would have fairly give it a 7.8. But not gonna lie, because well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Subscribe.